back to the bench, and today we've got this Tascam Porter Studio 414 4-track. Apparently not recording, so I've got my DMX playing away, singing its little heart out. Okay, we can see we've got level. I've got the input on mic line. We're going to record onto track 1. Okay, that light isn't, that should not be blinking. Oh, look, if I hold pressure on there, that stays lit. I'll let go. Let's zero the counter there. Take out the DMX, put this back onto tape. And then it should cut off at 0. Yeah. Okay, so it looks like there's something wrong with this record switch. Okay, so there's going to be a switch in here somewhere. Looking now at the mechanism, it could be anywhere. I think we might have to take this mechanism out. So there's a switch there, but I'm not pressing record. This actuates 2 on the play. And if we put the switch in, I mean the cassette, because that enables the record button. Okay, this one here is what actuates the record switch. Now we're going to have to give this a good clean up. Make sure those contacts are really nice and clean. Okay, that means we have continuity now, definitely there. Let's just see if that's fixed it. Look at that. Okay, that's fixed it. Let's try and record something on the 4 tracks. Okay, so I've got my DMX plugged into input 3 here, and I've got a microphone plugged in. Let's just record. I'll wait till the header goes past. So the DMX is on track 3 and the microphone is on track 2. That saves a lot of time putting 2 down at once. Okay, see if that's worked. Let's see if I can add a wood block. So I want to record onto track 1. So the others are safe. Okay, so let's say we want to record all those now down onto this 4th track. We pan everything to the right that we're playing. Let's just see what level that is. Okay, so now we've panned everything to the right. We're going to record the right bus. So now we should put all these 3 tracks onto this 4th track. Let's go. So now we should have great. Now, so I've put all those tracks onto one track. It leaves me the other 3 tracks to record some other stuff. So let's try the Oscar synth first. And I guess maybe let's try a DX7 patch, some nice string patch. Well, I've got one more track, so let's try another little DX7 sparkly patch. well, garbage in, garbage out, but at least it works. Catch you next time.